Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I'm going to be doing is going over a few sneaker investments that you should buy right now before they go up in price. So you should look into these shoes because they're actually right now going for, a price that you could probably cop at, or in a little bit they'll be at a price that you'll want to buy them at, and you should probably look into them or at least pay some attention to them because they could be good in the future. So that's what this video is for, so I hope you guys will enjoy. If you guys want more content like this, feel free to drop that like. How about if we hit 150 likes, I'll do another one of these. So let's see if you can do that, and feel free to subscribe too if you want to. I do like plenty of videos like this, thrifting videos. I mean, I do like tons and tons of types of videos related to streetwear, so go ahead if you want to. And you can also check out my Instagram. I think it's right here, so you can go check me out there. Both of them should be there, so you can go follow me on either or both. They'll be in the description. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got to say. So why don't we get into discussing some sneaker investments? These could make you some money in the future coming into winter time, if you just hold it until then in a few months. So let's get into discussing it. Okay, so the first sneaker I want to discuss is actually a pretty good investment right now, and I'd recommend actually purchasing pairs probably around now would be good. You could maybe wait a little bit longer, but I'd say right now would be a good time to buy pairs. It's the Jordan 4 Metallic Purple. So right now in this colorway, the pairs are going for around $210, $250 in all sizes. So not too much, it's pretty good for a Jordan 4 model. And not to mention, this model is actually pretty recognizable. It's part of that pack where you have the green, red, and then you have the purple one here. So it's all pretty cool. And yeah, if you held these for till winter and or for the next 6 months, maybe even just a few months, not even that long, just when it starts getting a little colder, because I just don't feel like fours are as popular right now. But I mean, there's of course still some people in the market for them, but I feel like they're gonna go up because I feel like they're just not going for a lot right now. And I didn't even know how many pairs were even released of these. I felt like it was a little hard to get your hands on these from a drop, but maybe not. Maybe I'm wrong on that. But I do feel like these are going to go up to $290, $350 as long as there's no sort of restock or rerun of them. If there's no restock of these, then I definitely see these going up to $290, $350 if you hold them for until winter time or a little bit. It's a memorable model. It's an easy one. You can just put a name to a picture. I see it being more memorable. I see people liking it a lot more in the future too. I see it having more value. So $290, $350 in the future maybe. But first one I definitely recommend looking into. You could buy pairs right now because I don't see them really going any lower. I haven't seen them go lower than what they are right now. I mean, they were going for a little lower a couple weeks back, but they keep going up slowly. So that's why I'm even putting this here. But first one, Jordan 4 Metallic Purple, could be a good investment. And next up, this one is I feel like it's a little bit bold, but at the same time, I feel like it could be smart. So I'm gonna put this one on the video. I have the Jordan 1 tie-dye. Now, obviously off the drop, I was completely wrong on my resale prediction. I thought there was gonna be way more pairs dropping, but obviously just wrong. So these ended up going for a lot of money at first. But right now, pairs are kind of going for $235, $350. So they've gone down a lot since actually what they were going for originally. And I say give it another month or two until when the hype dies down, because right now they are still fairly hyped. They did just drop not even that long ago, probably within I think it was within the last 2 weeks. Might have even just been a week ago. I think it was 2 weeks though. So just give it a little longer for the hype to die down on these. But I say around winter time, maybe spring next year, just and then a few coming months, after you buy them in a month or two, I would definitely say these could go up to $325, $450 in all sizes. So some good profit. And the reason I say that is because these are actually, they are a good sneaker model, and if I've already seen them having potential to go for $400, $500, which is crazy, seeing how what they went for off the drop. So I definitely see these going up because I feel like people will like them more. Once they forget about them a bit, once the hype dies down a bit, I feel like then people will start buying them again and they'll eventually go up. So these could be a good investment, but I'd wait a little bit to see in the next coming month or two to, let's just see what happens. But you could maybe wait a month because the sneaker market changes a lot. So just wait a month and see how much they're going for, maybe buy then, but I feel like they're going to go up. So good investment possibly, Jordan 1 tie-dye. And the final one that I'm predicting will go up, I feel like it's kind of getting slept on right now, is the Jordan 6 Retro Hair. Now, I saw a lot of people that bought these off drop and they were like, dang, I'm surprised I didn't make more money off these. And you know what? I agree, that's a common feeling with a lot of these drops sometimes. You buy a heater and you're like, well, I wasn't going for a lot. Why am I not making a lot of profit? Well, these ones I see going up more towards winter time, since the Jordan 6 isn't really a summertime model, but I don't feel like that affects it too much. Jordan 6s just aren't super hyped right now, but towards winter time, I'm sure these will probably get a little more love. Right now they're going for $225, $250 in all sizes, but probably in the winter, maybe like early spring next year, some like kind of that time. I feel like these could definitely be going for $275 to $315 in all pairs, but I mean, it's not a huge profit margin on the Jordan 6 Retro Hairs. I've been doing a lot of these sneaker investment videos lately, so my more profitable ones I've discussed like a little while back, and now you guys can see that I've actually gone up. So I was right in some of them, like the University Reds. I mean, that one was pretty obvious, but yeah. But for these ones, I definitely think like just wait until, you know, with all these sneakers, just wait until it gets a little colder. Wait until people forget about it a little bit. People will eventually start buying them, and they will go for more. I mean, it just takes time. Also, all these will eventually go for a lot of money with time, but like I definitely think in the winter these will get more love. So hold the hairs, hold the tie-dye, get your pairs in a little bit. That's just pretty much all I gotta say. So that's my investment videos. You should buy these before they go up in price, or buy them when they're lowest. When I told you, remember that. But that's pretty much all I gotta say. So let's roll that outro. Anyway, so I hope you all did enjoy this video, and I hope it'll help you out, because I think these will go up, and I think you guys could make some money. Just wait a little bit. I mean, I hope the hairs will get more love. Like the Jordan 6s, those are kind of like nice. Like, I mean, I'm not even a Jordan 6 guy, and I kind of like those. So hopefully those will get more love, because I definitely think it's deserved. Probably an underrated model for sure. But if you guys want more videos like this, sneaker investments, anything like that, you guys can subscribe below. I'd appreciate it. And you can also drop a like too. Let's try and hit 150 likes on this video, and I will deliver another one of these videos for you all for sure. Just stay tuned. It'll be coming once that happens. And you also drop a comment too. And the 30K giveaway is getting organized, by the way, for the mystery box. I'm getting that all organized today and tomorrow, so you guys will see that coming in the next few videos for the mystery box for 30K. So thank you all for the love. We'll be dropping that for free. Somebody will be getting a free mystery box for being subscribed. So you better be watching the next few videos, or else you're gonna miss out. And no, I'm not gonna be letting in any late entries. I'm sorry, but that's all I gotta say. So check my IGs down below if y'all also want to. And I'm T. Thank y'all for watching. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.